Hello. Welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for passing by if this is your first time. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do my everyday makeup. I want to say thank you so much to my subscribers as well. Those who have subscribed to my channel so far, I am so grateful. Thank you very much for supporting my channel to grow and all those helping me to grow this channel. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to start my makeup by applying some face or eraser. I already have a video on how to draw your eyebrows, so I didn't have to add to it. So I will just leave the link so that you can go and check on how to draw your eyebrow. This is a simple makeup for church or work. So I'm just going to draw my eyeliner. If this is your first time passing by and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do also subscribe for me. I'm going to go ahead and apply a mascara on my eyelashes. It's now time for me to use a foundation on my face. So I'm going to be dabbing the foundation on my face to get an even tone. So you keep on dabbing till everything is even. I'm going to go ahead and use some face powder
Never break, always fight, never quit,
on
do
the
it right,
foundation.
play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent, I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would
use some lipstick on my lip.
My whole life I just wanted to be somebody.
If you love this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna be great.
don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye.